Did Daddy say he'd pay you if you empty the dishwasher or something? Are you trying to help me with my chores? How's that rice spoon? Lizzie, when Mommy empties the dishwasher, I put stuff where it goes, not on the floor. Uh-oh, where did it go? Where did it go? Whoa. Are you gonna empty the dishwasher some more? Are you gonna stand up? Is the kitchen floor slippery when you have socks on? Lizzie, you're making a lot of noise. Wow, what a big helper. What a big helper emptying the dishwasher for Mommy. Someday, are you actually going to be a helper? Do you want to learn how to create less work rather than more work? What are you gonna get next? That bowl might be kind of hard for you to get out. Whoa. Okay. No more emptying the dishwasher for Lizzie. You pulled kind of hard there, honey. Can you say bye-bye to the camera? Say bye-bye.